Hey everybody, it's Chris from the Droning Company here with Madara from SPH Engineering. First of all, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Absolutely lovely. So tell us a little bit about SPH Engineering. What do you do and what are you here trying to help people with?
Yeah, basically we are a company who develops drone technologies. We started with our flight planning software UGCS 10 years ago actually. Yeah, we have an anniversary. And so UGCS is flight planning software for drones, supports multiple platforms. We have lots of automated functionality there. And then based on this product, we have developed further. We have integrated systems line, which is like we have integrated different industrial sensors to work with drones and gather data, different kind of data. We have like sensors like GPR, ground penetrating radar, magnetometer, echo sounder, metal detector, methane detector, and different type of data you can gather with the technology we have developed. Then we have also drone show software, which is like a little bit different industry, a target industry, but still our product, and it's we are very proud of it. Then based on that, we have also data management platform where you can store that and work with that. And of course, during these years, we have gained lots of competency and knowledge about the industry, products, etc. And we consult and work on custom projects. There are different issues or tasks guys out there need to solve, and that we can step in and help finding the right solution.
Absolutely, that is a lot of great information there. So, all that being said,
it's quite a lot.
It is. This industry is growing so fast that there needs to be a lot of information. So, my question to you would be, if you had to pick one thing, and you can take a minute to think about it, if you had to pick one thing that sets SPH Engineering apart from other companies that offer similar software, what would that be?
Okay, we easily adapt to the request of our customers because actually all of our products have developed out of some specific project or pain of the customer to solve. So our team kind of catch that and work on that, so we support the industry needs.
Okay. All right, that's very notable because a lot of companies, they'll just package their product and then they give it to the customer and that's it. But knowing that you actually work with your customer to develop custom solutions for them is absolutely unique and it's meritable for sure. Now, if somebody wants to find out more about SPH Engineering and the software and the solutions that you provide, where can they find more information?
There are lots of information on our webpage, of course, as well as we have developed quite a large partner network. I'm sure that they can support with information as well and reach out to me or any other of our team members.
Of course. Well, hey, I want to thank you.
I hope you will put our webpage.
Absolutely. I think we can put our web page down in the description of the video. Check it out, and I'll actually put it on the video up top here. So go ahead and click that link, whatever. So. Or call her. That's perfect. Hey, thank you so much for your time. This is fantastic and really nice talking to you.
Yeah, thank you.